Categories of equilibrium in two dimensions. Application of the equilibrium equations, which are sigma fx, sigma fy, and sigma mo equals to 0 fall naturally into a number of categories which are easily identified. The categories of force systems acting on bodies in two-dimensional equilibrium are summarized in the ongoing example and figures and categorized in 4 sections as follows. Category 1. Equilibrium of collinear forces. Clearly requires only the one force equation in the direction of forces the forces, since all other equations are automatically satisfied. An example as collinear is shown in this picture. Collinear forces, all forces in R are in the same direction. We assume that the direction is x, so sigma fx is the only equation for equilibrium. The category 2 concurrent at a point. Consider this picture. Equilibrium of forces which lie in a plane for example xy plane, and are concurrent at a point. For example, this point out in this picture requires the two force equation only. Since the moment sums about O, that is about a z-axis through O, is necessarily zero, included in this category is the case of equilibrium of a particle. The only equations for equilibrium. The next type category is category 4. Category 3. Parallel forces. In a plane requires one force equation in the direction of forces, and one momentum equation about an axis. Normal to the plane of the forces. About an axis, normal to the plane of forces. For example, consider this picture. This picture shows parallel forces. Only two equations for equilibrium is required. The next category, category 4. General equilibrium of general system. Of forces in a plane. For example, in XY requires the two force equation. In the plane and the one momentum equation about an axis normal to the plane. Consider this picture for an example that shows a general system. 3 equations is needed for plane forces, and therefore the axis normal to the plane couple. The general system. The next section is for 2 and 3 force members.